We are standing at the edge of a new era. A new year, a new chapter, whatever you want to call it. But dates on a calendar are just ink. They don't mean a damn thing if the person reading them hasn't changed. I've been listening, I've been watching. And I see so many of you walking around like you're rehearsing for a life you're gonna live later. You're saving the good china. You're saving the I love yous. You're saving the big risk for a day when the weather is perfect. Spoiler alert, that day is never coming. I need you to understand the math of your existence. It is finite. You are not gonna be here forever. Look at your hands, look at the veins. There is blood pumping through them right now. There is a heart in your chest beating a rhythm that will one day stop. That isn't morbid. That is the most beautiful, urgent truth you will ever hear. Because if your time is limited, then your fear is irrelevant. What are you afraid of? Failure? Who cares? You're gonna die anyway. Embarrassment? Who cares? In 100 years, nobody will remember your name unless you do something worth remembering. We treat life like it's a dress rehearsal. We tiptoe through it, trying to make it to death safely. I am challenging you to stop tiptoeing. I am challenging you to stomp. I am challenging you to break things. I am challenging you to make a mess. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success. You have to be willing to be the amateur before you can be the master. You have to be willing to look like an idiot to become a legend. What if you were actually powerful beyond measure? What if the only thing stopping you is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't? Excuses are the bricks you use to build the wall that keeps you out of your own life. Tear it down. The rearview mirror is smaller than the windshield for a reason. Where you have been does not define where you are going. Your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. I don't care if you failed yesterday. The sun rose this morning, didn't it? That was your second chance. That was your clean slate. You are not a mistake. You are not an accident. You are a biological miracle with infinite potential, and it is time you started acting like it. Stop shrinking to fit places you've outgrown. Stop apologizing for your ambition. Stop asking for permission to exist. Take up space. Speak your truth. Run toward the roar. The lion does not ask the gazelle for permission to eat. The eagle does not ask the sparrow for permission to fly. You do not need to ask the world for permission to succeed. You just have to decide that you are going to take it. The clock is ticking. That isn't time passing. That is your life asking you a question. What are you going to do with what you have left? Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait for the first of the month. The power is in the now. The magic is in the action. So here is my challenge to you. I want you to pick one thing. One bold, scary thing that you have been putting off. That phone call, that application, that gym membership, that declaration of love, that business plan. I want you to take one step toward it today. Not a mental step, a physical action. Because the moment you move, the fear dissolves. The moment you move, the momentum shifts. The moment you move, you prove to yourself that you are not a prisoner of your past. Believe in your worth. Trust in your struggle. And for the love of God, don't die with your music still inside you. Rise up! The world is waiting for who you are about to become.